YouTube, it's Evan Miller here today with a new video. Snowed outside, heading up to Pine Knob to do some skiing. Megan's never been skiing before, so it's gonna be cool to show her. She'll probably figure it out pretty quick. Pretty fun stuff. We'll see you when we get there. Oh. People coming. I like to be the only courteous person on the hill. Okay, I guess I didn't realize I was recording that whole time. Got some new Oakley things here. Megan's in my old deer hunting suit here at Pine Knob. Someone's trying to learn how to ski tonight and it's not me. She's actually not bad. She used to rollerblade in Arizona. Megan, what were your thoughts on doing the bunny hill?
Is there anything small?
Oh yeah. Now we're doing some real slopes. We're gonna vlog this next. You're okay.
I'm gonna fall.
Look at this. This is cool.
I feel like I'm gonna fall. Do you feel like you're gonna fall?
No, I feel good. Something really cool about being up here in the slopes. Pine Knob, Michigan. This is for those of you who don't know. That's the amphitheater right over there. You see Bob Seger, Nugent, all the local big bands. It's
Big
beautiful.
Fellas.
Big fellas.
Big fellas.
Got my mustard pants on. I've been wearing this coat since I was 10.
Show them my outfit.
She's wearing my deer hunting outfit.
What is this?
Evidently somebody had a hard time with the ski lift. We're stuck here. I'm gonna jump. So close, but so far. Tips up. Please watch your language. This is going on YouTube.
Oh, sorry.
You ready? Oh, look, she's got it. Oh, Dot on camera. There she is. Holy fuck, Meg. Way off in the distance back there, there's this light show that we actually got stuck in coming in. You know, one of those drive-through Christmas light shows.
Shit. Sorry.
Language.
I'm sorry.
Anyways, the snow's coming down. This is a really cool December night, actually. It's misted up in the sky. Yeah, you're struggling, aren't you? She's getting better though. We're gonna vlog this one down. Here we go. So one thing we've never done on this channel is definitely skiing. I've been skiing since I was a little kid. I'm a Michigan person, you know. It's kind of part of the ritual. Jacob, Byron, and I, you know, Jacob from this channel comes on once in a while. We used to come here all the freaking time. Senior year. I'm a snow person, I always have been. And I've always loved coming to Pine Knob since I was a little kid. There's Megan doing her thing. Don't hit me! Yeah, there you go. Look at her go. She's learning. She's learning. Good stuff. Nice night out for this. Picking up some speed here. Need my goggles on. There we go. Throwing some snow. Here's the Evan Miller signature stuff. Jesus, dude, we have some inconsiderate people. I got these new Oakley glasses. It was pretty fun skiing with them, actually. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. It was fun getting back into skiing. I haven't been in a long time, and I look forward to pursuing it like I used to in my younger days. As always, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more content, and we will see you guys in the next video.